Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a lobster and bacon mac and cheese on the Ledge Prime from Green Mountain Grills. So I never really been a great fan of mac and cheese, but I was thinking add lobster, add bacon, and you can't go wrong. The first thing that we want to do is set up the Green Mountain Grill to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While we're waiting for the grill to get up to temperature, you want to insert a cast iron. After about 10 minutes, when the cast iron is hot, you want to add half a pound of finely chopped bacon. And then we're going to cook this until the fat is rendered and they're starting to get a little bit crispy. This will take about 15 minutes. When ready, remove them from the cast iron, but keep the cast iron with the bacon fat inside the smoker. So the bacon is now ready, so it's time to start preparing the lobster tails. The first step in preparing the lobster tail is using a pair of kitchen shears and cut the back side of the tail. Then you want to carefully remove the lobster meat and pull it away from the shell. Then we're going to slice the lobster tail in easy to eat bites. Now we want to add the lobster tail to the cast iron and the bacon fat, and we're going to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the lobster tail starts turning white. When they're ready, remove them from the grill. Now we want to get started with the macaronis, so here's what we're going to do. I like to use large elbow macaronis when I make mac and cheese, and you want to cook it slightly less than al dente. When the macaroni is ready, drain off the water and set it aside. The bacon is ready, the lobster is ready, the macaronis are ready, so now it's time to start working on the cheese. So here's what we're gonna do. The first thing that we're gonna do to the cheese sauce is add 24 ounces of heavy whipping cream into a pan. Next, we wanna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of white wine. Then we're gonna add 8 ounces of shredded Gryuere cheese. We're gonna add 8 ounces of a really good aged cheddar cheese. And finally, we're gonna add 8 ounces of cream cheese as well. And now you wanna simmer this until all the cheese is melted. All the ingredients are now ready, so it's time to put together the mac and cheese. So here's the next steps. We put all the macaroni in a bowl, so now we're gonna pour all that gooey cheese sauce on top and stir thoroughly. Then we need to add the bacon and stir. Last but not least, we're gonna add all that flavorful lobster meat to the bowl as well and stir. When the mac and cheese is thoroughly blended, you wanna pour it into a large and heavy cast iron pan, and you wanna make sure that everything is evenly spread. The last thing that we're gonna do is make the topping for the mac and cheese, and we're gonna go super easy here. Equal parts Panko breadcrumbs with Pecorino cheese. Then you wanna stir this and add a layer over the mac and cheese. Now it's time to lower the Green Mountain Grill to 350 degrees. Insert the cast iron pan in the Green Mountain Grill, and now we want to cook it between 30 to 45 minutes or until the topping starting to brown. When it's ready, you want to remove it from the grill, and then it's ready to serve. And that is how I make lobster and bacon mac and cheese on the Ledge Prime from Green Mountain Grill. And I think the only thing left is to try this and see what it tastes like. Got a nice piece of lobster here, so here we go. Oh yeah. Good balance. Lobster is cooked to perfection. I think I like mac and cheese suddenly. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.